All right, great. So when you first log into your Grasshopper account, you'll land here on the Messages and Calls tab. So here you can see all of your voicemails, any faxes that you may have received, missed calls, outbound calls. If you deleted any messages, you can see those here as well. So it's easy to just click through and see either everything that you have at once, or if you wanted to see just missed calls, or maybe even block numbers that you may have listed there. Next up, we have the Extensions tab. Really, this is kind of the meat of where you can get everything set up. So here in this tab, you can add extensions, add call forwarding numbers, edit call forwarding settings, record voicemail greetings, all that kind of stuff. As you can see, there are department extensions as well as employee extensions. Really the main difference here is the number of digits you get per extension. So department extensions are just single-digit extensions, digits 1 through 6, whereas employee extensions are 3 digits, so 700, 701, numbers like that. There's also a name directory. So what you can do is you can set up your business so that way customers can call in and just dial your employees by the first few letters of their first or last name to get directed to that person directly. We'll dig into this tab a lot more during our demo. That's just a brief overview for you. Coming up next, we have our Settings tab. So this is a pretty important tab. It's where you can update any of your billing information down here below. You can see what plan that you're on currently and upgrade or downgrade at any time, or as many minutes that you've used so far. You can also add features such as texting on any of your numbers, call blasting, which would call all of your extensions at the same time. You can add additional numbers or decide what to do with your current Grasshopper number here. In the main greetings tab, you can record your extensions or your number's main greeting, as well as any away greetings if you're going on vacation or you'll be closed. You can add users here or manage your users' access. And then ultimately you can choose what kind of hold music your customers hear when you place them on hold. Moving right along, we have the report section. So here you can run reports to see things like how many calls you've made or received, what your employees are doing, how many calls they're making or receiving, anything like that. I recommend starting off with an activity report. Breaks things down for you in an easy to digest way, such as calls by type, voicemails, hang-ups, faxes, etc. And lastly, if you follow this tab, it will take you right to our website and to the apps page. We have both an iPhone and an Android app, as well as desktop apps for Macs and Windows. So you can make calls from your Grasshopper number on your computer. You can download these apps from here or from your device's app store.